Find more choices at dinner.
I'm giving Beth's wedding a 6. I really liked the cocktail hour. I thought the real flowers that she used throughout the receptions were a nice touch. I took points away from Beth's wedding because I didn't like the soft serve ice cream and the lack of menu options during the dinner. I'm giving Beth's wedding a 6. I loved her venue, and also I really liked the guest energy after we started dancing. But Beth's entertainment was more catered towards the older demographic.
It's the greatest day of a girl's life. So what happens when the groom is in charge?
Try my hardest to stay positive, but I can't.
In an Australian first, the grooms get 3 weeks and 15 grand to arrange the perfect wedding.
Why the hell are we at Thorpe Park on my wedding day?
And live happily ever after.
He's having a wrestling wedding.
Oh, don't tell the bride. Wednesday, 8:20 on You. Oh. Hello. Can't believe her.
Oh, she's just pretending she's being neighborly.
You know, she talked him.
Really?